Alright guys, so right now I'm going to be removing the headliner and all the plastic trimming. I don't know how I'm going to take this out or like this right here to paint it. But I'm going to be trying my best to, paint everything, have everything looking pretty nice. I'm going to stick this back up there and all that good shit. So I'll update you guys as soon as I get everything removed and all that. If I don't forget, like always. So, yep. Never mind, guys. I got too lazy to actually take off the headliner. It's a lot more work than I thought it was for a damn single cab. I mean, I got these off and that off. I had just took this off and that one right there. But then I found these under the seats because the speakers were blown. So I'm probably going to replace that tomorrow when I do have time because this is going to be pretty time consuming. So what I'm thinking that I'm going to do is probably just, I don't know actually. Probably gonna save these video clips for a video in the future when I do more to the stuff. And I do more stuff to the truck, I mean. Because right now I'm kind of lazy to do shit, to be honest. So I'll pick up the camera if I do end up doing anything else. So what's up everybody on YouTube? It's your boy 5.3 Vic. And today I am, I don't know if I continued the other video. I don't know, I completely forgot what I recorded last night. But today, as you can see, the headline is already off, La Paloma. So we're going to go ahead and fix it up. I'm going to paint it black. I'm going to try to do the dashboard today. Because, I don't know. I've never done the dashboard on these newer type of... I mean, not newer, older type of trucks. I've done newer, like on mine. Came out fucking perfect. But, yeah, so I'm going to start doing that. Start taking it out. Doing what I got to do. I'm going to try to record it. If I don't forget, like I always say. Yo, what's up, YouTube? I literally don't know what part video this is. I've already done some work on the truck. It's all going to be in the same video anyway, regardless. Last time you guys probably seen was when I did the headliner. So I started installing it. And I just left it alone last night because I really didn't feel like doing that late at night. So today we're going to be doing a window tint on the truck on this one, 5%. I'm going to see how much I could do. I'm going to try to do this window and the other window. And I'm going to see if I could even get that back window. The front windshield, I'm not going to mess around with it too much because it's not even going to be enough. But we're going to try to go ahead and do this right now. I'm not going to record it because I don't even like recording like when I'm doing that type of stuff because it's just so time consuming and all that. And then I got to constantly get out the truck, pause the video, change angles and all that. So it's just me being lazy at this point. But, I'm going to show you guys the end result regardless. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'll update you guys as I'm starting to go. So I just did the tint on this one. I low-key kind of fucked it up on the sides. But, I mean, it doesn't even matter. That window's done. Back windshield's done. I really wish I had a little bit more. Or if I had a longer one so I could do the... What's it called? The windshield. But, I mean, it looks way better now. No more fishbowl. Let me show you guys a whole walk around what the truck looks like. I'm using flash. I should probably take it off. But yep, that's what the truck looks like now. So it looks pretty nice, First time doing tints, if I'm being honest. But it looks a hell of a lot better than it did before. I'm going to turn off the flash so I can show you guys through the window and all that. So trying to look inside. Can't really see shit, you know what I mean? Like that. You can only see from the front windshield because that's the only thing that's not tinted. But see, look at that. Pretty dark. Imagine at night. Holy smokes. Let me actually turn off the lights to see how it'll look. Oh shit, I can't see now. This wasn't pretty smart. Oh, and I forgot I don't even got the lights in here. Well, that was very smart of me to do. Fuck. Alright. So, at night, can't see shit. Can barely see anything. God damn. Yeah, so this is 5%. It looks pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie, for me to do it at the crib. Pretty good work, pretty good work. Pulled off the door panel right here. I'm gonna go ahead and replace these blown subs with these right here to get some better sound in the truck. I mean, they came with the truck, so I might as well put them in, you know. This is actually a bitch to fucking take out. I had never taken one of these out, but I mean, it's off now, so let me show you guys what else I did to it. I already put the headliner back in. We got the tints in the windows. So yep. And next thing I'll probably be doing is updating the whole interior. I'm going to be doing a 2014-2015 Silverado swap interior on this truck. So I'll let you guys know how that goes, because I don't even know how it's going to go, to be honest. But we're going to try my best to do it. So I'll pick up the camera as soon as I swap those out. Alright, so the tweeters are finally fixed and all that. I'm going to be getting a new stereo and all that. Like I said, when I do update the interior and all that. But I think this is where I'm going to leave it off for tonight, because I am tired and I just looked at the time. It's 1:30 in the morning and I got school tomorrow. So I'll continue the video tomorrow when I do more stuff to the truck. But for now, that's all I recorded today. The 5% tints on the windows. As you guys can see, it looks pretty nice to be home done and all that. So yep, I'll pick up the camera tomorrow. Yo, what's up everybody on YouTube? I know I haven't picked up the camera in a couple of days because, you know, I just been busy working, handling business and all that. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but that's a turbo. I got a turbo from La Paloma. I don't know exactly what turbo it is, but I mean, it's not gonna matter regardless, because I'm not, when I install everything, I'm not gonna go past, like, let's say 8 PCI, 810 PCI. Or who knows, maybe it can handle more, I don't know. But I mean, since I'm dropping a 6.0 in it, I'm putting an LS3 cam in the LS2. Gonna do headers, and then a full exhaust system and all that. So I should be updating you guys when I upload this video. I might be uploading it a few days before I do end up getting the LS2, because I'm dropping a 6.0 in it next weekend. Today is Sunday. I'm dropping the LS2 next weekend, hopefully. And I should be recording all the installation, all that with my boy. So we're gonna see how that goes. And for now, I just put the first coat of primer, on the turbo. So I'll show you guys the finished result of the turbo and all that, how it comes out and all that. So you guys, see that I'm kind of a goat at painting, because shit, this is only the first coat and it's already looking good, you know what I mean? So I'll pick up the camera as soon as I'm done painting the turbo. Yo, what's good everybody on YouTube? Today is a day that I've been waiting for a long ass time. Gonna go pick up the 6.0 today. So right now I'm currently at work. I might as well thought I should record the intro to this, or it's not even an intro, it's just added on to all the parts of the shit I've done to the truck so far. So we're gonna be picking up the 6.0 today, dropping it off at my crib. Yeah, so I'll pick up the camera as soon as I clock out, and we go pick up the engine later tonight. So I'll pick it up then. Yo, what's up everybody? I forgot to pick up the camera, but I'm at my manager's house right now. We're getting ready to get shit so we can pick up the engine right now. So I'll pick up the camera as soon as we get to the spot. Alright guys, so this is the 6.0. I don't know what an engine really looks like, but I guess this is what it looks like. So let's, yeah. Pretty dope. And the boy hooked it up. So we're gonna go ahead and set this down, take it home. And I'll probably take it off tomorrow. I'm not too sure. But yep, that's the engine right there. Alright everybody on YouTube, so I just made it home. We got all the accessories for the engine. We got the engine right here. So I'll probably record a few more videos tomorrow, but as of this video, all the stuff that I did do onto the white truck over there, I don't know if you guys can see it, over there. Basically that's gonna be it for this video, which I believe it was the tint and all that. Next thing I'm gonna be doing is windshield tint. My boy Chewy hooked it up with the tint for the La Paloma over here. Got a bunch of shit in the back, as you guys can see. Dark as fuck. Can't wait till the actual windshield is all tinted and all that. I mean, she's sitting pretty, you know. You got the 20s on there. Rotor's already getting fucking rusty because of the rain. For the most part, you can't see shit inside at all. That's good. You know, we like it dark. But yep, I'm going to be closing out the video here. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the actual engine building and all that. So thank you for watching, guys.